Students and teachers at any public, private, or charter school in Maricopa County can now get a free take-home rapid test kit for COVID. It is a limited supply, just rolled out this month, starting with about 24 nasal swab test kits per school. So the county is recommending they be used for people showing symptoms at school. Since kids under 12 aren't eligible to get the vaccine yet, these tests are very important.
Kids under 12 aren't eligible for vaccination. We have differing consistency with masking in schools, and we have really high community transmission that seems to still be going up according to our data. So because of all that, we really want to protect our kids.
The county and state health departments ordered 25,000 tests, and there are another 25,000 on the way.
All of our curriculum these days is all digital. Everything is accessible via an iPad or a computer.
So it makes a big difference if you have spotty Wi-Fi or no access at all. Hundreds of thousands of families in Phoenix will soon be getting free internet Wi-Fi access to help their kids with school. In the city of Phoenix, local districts and Phoenix College worked together to make this happen. Spencer Blake shows us how it works.
2020 was a wake-up call for the Cartwright School District because they didn't have enough computers for their students, and many of them didn't have internet at home.
When the pandemic hit, we realized that it was such a problem because we couldn't transition as easily as some of our surrounding districts.
That will change on September 1st when the Phoenix Digital Education Connection Canopy, or DEC, fires up its pilot program for the Cartwright and Alhambra districts, bringing free broadband Wi-Fi to kids from preschool all the way through community college.
It's a canopy of digital coverage to be able to connect students to the internet.
Phoenix College's Paul Ross, one of the brains behind the plans, says the DEC leans on power and infrastructure that's already set up at schools. For $34 million, much of that from CARES Act funding, Phoenix College, the city of Phoenix, and the school districts are helping create coverage for 250,000 families to use whether at home or school.
This is a project, but it's also a project with solid outcomes.
The canopy will have coverage for 13 Phoenix school districts within the next year or two.
We are doing our best to make sure everybody has what they need to be successful.
In Phoenix, Spencer Blake for Arizona's Family.